Fader volume dial on stomaudio is, if I go this way clockwise or if I go this way anti-clockwise, the digits should move very smoothly. It's going a bit, but it's a bit stuttery there. I go the other way. Kind of jumped a little bit there. You look closely, it wiggles, it jitters, so it's a bit flawed there. And that's after nearly a year and a half of having this processor brand new. Bad design work, stomaudio, terrible, dreadful. But it's a common problem with these things, with these variable dials. Even if I've turned the dial head, because I'm turning it, but it's not reacting very quick, because it's a common sort of thing. Okay, it's not isolated to one thing. There's the variable resistor thing behind there. I just need to sort of make it's a simple fix. It's a simple fix repair. See, I'm turning it and it's just, not catching it very, 750, CP750. Turn the dial, that's going okay. Go down that way. Yeah, it's going okay, but sometimes if I jitter it like that, oh no, it's staying stable. Usually, sometimes it drifts. The digit numbers start to randomly drift, kind of dialing up down like that, and then they stabilize. A little bit on the CP500, but I haven't used the CP500 in, oh gosh, over a year. I'm not going to get any nonsense on my CP200. That will not be tolerated. I don't get any nonsense on my faders here on the SDU4s. Not noticed any nonsense on the digital dials on the DCX yet, and mind you, they've had more use on their dials than that has had hot bloody meals. Usually the dial stays at 0.0 on the fader, because it's just an auxiliary switch for the CP200. CP200 switched off at the moment, so I'm running digital. But don't get me wrong, that CP200 is built like a bloody tank. That's just over 40 years old. That was made in 1980. That was just in time for The Empire Strikes Back, if you know what I mean. Dial on the Denon. I don't have to switch it on. Take my word, it doesn't have any issues, and it only serves as a video switcher for laser discs or zone 2, zone 3 outputs for left total, right total signals, depending on where they're coming from, the Panasonic or the heading or signals going over to the CP200 for Dolby Stereo 424 matrix playback of theatrical dynamic range mixes. None of this trashy, crappy UHD crap. Near field mixes. That's about that. That's about that at the moment. Yeah, that's about that. Yeah. I'm gonna get into a view to a kill. Dolby Stereo. It's more important than Atmos.